Question for you.
Hmm?
I've never bought a Visa card. You have those gift cards things here?
Yeah, we have them like right where she is.
Yeah.
Right over there.
How do I do it? I want to give my birthday present at $20. How do I do it?
Yeah. You basically pay
Visa card? Visa?
Visa
Prepaid
like
Visa?
this. Yeah, prepaid Visa, and then
This costs money?
it's $1.99 purchase price. But then you tell them how much you want to put on it. Then they'll put that on there, and you should be all ready to go.
Can I pay for the? Okay. So how do I do it? So right here? Or?
You can do it. You can do it here. I don't know if you can do it here. I don't think you can. You can do it over at self-checkout. I mean, not to the customer service too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take her to dinner.
Have a good day.
He's gonna purchase that. He wants to do prepaid.
It's my first time. So.
She'll help you out
All right. Thank you,
if you
sir.
have any problems. Yeah, I have a key for you.
So how do you want to do it? Give me the little box. So you can open it when we open.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
No, I think because it's a big item.
Was it this you were trying to scan?
Yeah. I'll do it.
Set items aside
Try
and
this one over
continue
here.
with purchases.
That's different.
Set items aside
Yeah, it's a big
and
item.
continue with purchases.
You gotta do this like a regular register, I believe.
Let's go just pay for everything else and then we'll just go to regular register.
Yeah, you can do
Yeah.
that.
We already
Yeah.
started here.
Question for you. She says I won't get my card for 7 business days. I'm like, what?
No, this is temporary, is what it is.
I wanted to use it today.
No, you can. This is a temporary one.
I don't know, man. Now I want to return it. This is stupid. So
No,
I
it's
buy
a
it and it gets in the mail in 7 to 10 days.
yeah, but this is like a temporary one under here. That's what she's saying.
So can I use this today?
This one, I think you could use this one today. Yeah.
How? I don't have my glasses. I can't see shit. Sorry. I'm confused. What the heck?
Yeah, I know it's a little weird. Hold on. Right here, sir. Oh, perfect. Right here, sir. I'll get somebody. Christina, can you watch right here for a second? I gotta get Monica. Or somebody. Oh, insanity. Customer has a major question, and I think you could probably answer it better than I can.
What?
He purchased this, but then he was told it's going to be 7 to 10 days before he gets his card. He was wondering if he can use this part. I don't know if that's the temporary one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell him. No, I just want to make sure with you. Yeah, you can use this, sir. You can use this.
So, it's my niece's birthday, right? She's in San Jose.
Yeah,
And she's gonna go shopping for whatever toy she wants at Target, right?
yeah.
So I said, let me get a Visa, give her the number. Does she actually need to slide the card? Because she's gonna go shopping maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah.
And it's like, she said 7 days. I'm like, what the? It's just, I don't know.
Yeah, she can use this. This is temporary, is what it is.
But there's another number inside.
Yeah. Basically,
I don't have my glasses, so.
it says you give a cashier cash out.
Register. She said.
Take your card to the register at the green dot. Hold on.
I wish I would call my glasses.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, Monica basically told me he can still use this temporarily, but he's
He can use it. I told him 3 times.
Yeah.
He could use it.
But he won't
He
get
has
his
to.
permanent
He
card
has to
until he
register it.
yeah,
But he can use it.
yeah, he's over here.
You might want to send Vanessa their language.
Oh.
I've never purchased these. So.
Okay, it's just like a regular credit card, but you're using your own money.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said, after I paid for it, she said, oh, you'll leave your card after 7 days. I'm like, 7 days?
Yeah, well, you can still use this one, but you have to call and register it.
I'll do
Just
that.
like you have to give your social and everything up because it's a credit card. It's a credit card. You have to give all your information. Okay, I'll look on it. Then you want the ones that say gift card. Just keep it, it's still a good card, you know, and just call and get it verified and get the money from you, otherwise it's gonna be. You can still use it right away though. You have to use it for that though. Oh.
But I can use it right away. There's a number in here.
You just have to take like, you have to activate it.
Okay, hold on, activate it.
You have to put, and then, add money.
I think I scanned that one twice.
Right, there you go, sir.
Yeah, so you, oh man. gift card.
Gift card next time.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Well, it might be a new fun experience you never knew about.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, thanks, ladies. I don't get it anymore.
Hi.
Hey,
He just wanted the gift card, I guess.
no,
Initially?
he asked me for one that was Visa. Is what he asked me.
Well, he
Well, we
was
do have Visa gift cards.
That's what he wanted was a gift card for $20 for his niece.
You have
Oh.
to ask them if they want to get one and done, or if they want to go.
Woo. Well,